This is good. So there we goes. Monday morning. Let's get at it. Let's go with this lady. And yeah, later on put the gas tank on the Bonneville and do the last cleanup, and there we go. And yeah, let's build up this engine. Yes, a lot of work, so let's get at it. Yeah. Voila, okay, making progress. This one now it's out of the oven, so yeah, when it gets cold then I'm gonna mount it, but it's looking nice. I polished this one, and yeah, everything is here is already done, so that's good. Then now we're gonna do the cylinder, then the gearbox, and later on the clutch. So yeah, voila. Now have a break and keep on moving. So there we goes, another day, another journey. Guess what happened yesterday? No, the blower wasn't with this one, it was with the baby blue. Okay, maybe you know what is this, okay? Yes, yesterday I needed to change them both on her without because out of nowhere I was cleaning the bike and said like, oh, okay, I'm gonna start it and just do the last checkup of all the bolts and nuts, like always. And then I leave it there running for like 5 minutes or so. And then I see like oil's coming out of here. Like out of here and here. So, oh, there. So, I needed to open everything. Yes. Yes. I didn't film it because I didn't feel like it. And you can understand why. Yeah, so, but I managed. I stay here until 8, I think, or something. And yeah, but now it's good. I'm happy. I tested yesterday. And it's good now to go. Yeah, I don't know why it got loose. I don't understand still because I had some pressure on it. So yeah, I put a thicker one, and now it's good to go. So yeah, let's clean it up. They're gonna pick it up today. I'm gonna tell to the owner double check that just to be sure. Keep an eye on it. And if something happened, then let me know. But right now it's good to go. No more leaking. And yeah, now let's clean it up. And then I think in about 2 or 3 hours the owner gonna be here, and then voila. So let's clean it up. Then go on this with this one, and then I need to check if I can do the Dominator head or the BMW. Let's see which one I do the first. I'm gonna adjust the valves later on do this side, and so normally I put everything together and I pump oil into the system, but today I'm gonna do it differently so it goes quicker. I'm just gonna take everything here, mount it, and make it run so it pumps oil in the whole system. So I don't need to drag all the clutch and the gearbox. So yeah, yes, but that's gonna be later. Now I'm gonna have a break, and then later on, let's go. So right now I'm going to pick up the owner of the Bonneville, the baby blue Bonneville, because he lost his way. He cannot find his place, so I'm going to pick it out and then deliver the bike. So let's go. Gewoon kicken. Goed punt vinden, zeg maar, en kicken. Dat is het. Nee, blijf lopen. Je mag als het start is, zeg maar. Ik blijf altijd 30 seconden een beetje gas geven, een klein beetje. Ja. En that's it. It's not even a starter and it's leaking already. God damn it. So yeah, let's take the cover out and see why it's leaking, because the gasket and everything is new, so it shouldn't leak. Two things. One, the gasket, let's see, here underneath was like a little bit shorter, so there is not perfectly, it doesn't go all the way down, it just stays a little bit upper. And the second thing is this. Yes, brand new oil pump. Just snapped on me. So you can see. I'm so happy that this happened by doing this, you know, just testing. It's just the engine is running, I check everything is fine. But this one just snapped. It was like, cluck, you know. I heard it, I was like, whoop, what's that? And I thought it was the valves or something, you know, like, okay, maybe it's the valves, and I check everything and everything is fine. And when I took the cover out, I saw that and I was like, God damn it. So, yeah, I have a second one, a spare, and I'm gonna test it and with the cover off, so I can see how it works, to see if it's something, I don't know, if it's something, or it's just that this one is a factory mistake. But this one got so bad. Yeah, this is crazy. I never had this. So yeah. I found the problem already. That's a pity that the close-up camera is not working. from the last time that fell from the bike. Wait. But I'm gonna try to put it as close as I can. So now you will see. Let's see. Come on. Pull me out a little bit. Okay. So voila, this here is nothing wrong. I found already the problem. Okay, let's see. Yeah. So as you can see, so this is good. Okay, this is good too. Okay. But what happened was this. This is not the problem. Okay, that they go deep. Like you can hear it. The tolerance is good. Okay, but the problem is, okay, this one goes so deep. So to show it, this one. This one goes so deep in, okay? So we have like, if I push it, really push it. Wait, to clean it up. Right now is 2 millimeters of clearance, okay? This one. Pushing it, like really pushing it. Let's see. 2.5. So later on, I need to send this pump away. And after calling with the provider, he just told me send it to me, and we will see what we can do. So voila. So yeah, what I'm going to do now, I'm just gonna keep pumping some oil. And I get it through the return line, and when I have it, then I will close it up, and I start with the gearbox and the clutch. So let's go. So there we go, another day, another journey. Today I want to tackle 3 things. Let's see if I manage to do it, because yesterday with the pump thing and everything, I lost so much time. So let's go, and I'm gonna start the day with the BMW. That's the first thing for today. I wanna just get rid of it so as soon as possible. And then move on with this one, keep on going on this one, and on the Dominator cylinder that I have it there for cleanup. And after the cleanup, I need to do some threads and stuff. So let's get at it. Today's gonna be a long day, so let's go. So the most heavy work or lifting, we can say, it's done now. So I locked everything in place, and now everything is with Loctite on it, and really tight. And I mark everything twice in 2 places, so with paint and with a pointer. So voila. And yeah, let's close it up, fill it up, and then check this. And let's see. several problems with this setup. The first one, I changed it to original because if I was using it like I was using it, it gets to a point where it's not, it's like it overlaps. So I put it like original, but if I do it like original, I make this one new, brand new. So voila, fabrication. But the thing is, right now the lever, this one, it doesn't drag the same distance as this one. This one has a lot of distance, okay? Like from 0 to breaking point, it has a lot of distance, but here it's really small. So I need to modify the one that is in here, so it drags the same distance as this one. So yeah, let's get at it. So yes, let's try to show it. Let's see. I can't wait to be done with this. So now the distance, this distance is higher, okay? So it makes more, how can I say, like if you make a big turn or a small turn. This was a small turn, this is a big turn. So now it works like it should. So voila. Still need to adjust it, make it nice, paint it and re-weld it. But that's it. And it doesn't clench anymore, but just for security, I'm gonna try to find an extra spring to put it in here, and let's see. Yeah. But besides that, now it works like it should, so that's nice. Yeah. Even a little bit loose. Let's see. Just now it's, yeah, you see? Now it's stuck. Yeah, perfect. That's it. Yeah. So let's make this nice. This one, weld this one around, drill this one through, put a spring on it, just to extra safety, and that's it. So problem solved. Voila. Yeah. That's nice. I'm happy. Let's see you later. Okay, almost done. So let's keep on pushing. I can't wait. Oh my God, I'm so done with this one. You can see I put one, so now let's see this to the shoulder. Okay, tuck. So here inside there is one that I pulls this one, and now here this one it pulls this one back. So voila, yes. So let's put it back all together, fix everything in place. And yeah, then I think I'm done here. Yeah, I will test it on the road, just up and down the street, let's see, and that's it. And yeah, if you're thinking why you didn't do it at the first time, well, because I couldn't see it the first time. That's why I did it the other way. So simple. But now with more thinking, voila, I got it out. So let's see. I wanted to do a test ride today, but I don't want to spend more time. I want to do a little progress on the Dominator, and tomorrow I can finish this one, or not finish, just do up and down the street, check everything, voila. So yes, let's go. Pasa, pasa.
to adjust a little bit more the rear brake, but besides that, it feels good. Voila. Let's deliver the oil pump and then do a little test ride. Bike feels good, only the brake I need to adjust. Besides that, nothing weird. Has a lot of torque. The stationer doesn't run like smoothly, but how can I say? I'm not going to touch that, the stationer time, because I'm gonna show later how the owner resolved the problem with the carburetor. Pasa! Okay, done. The owner took this this approach, so he put tape on it and he got the right amount of air. So voila. Yes. No, I don't like to do this kind of thing, so that's why I'm not going to touch it. Voila. So the bike is done. Yes, another one. So right now, let's clean up and I start with the Dominator cylinder head. Both of them. I need to open up one and take the parts and put it in the other one. And I need to, I think, somebody put a helicoil or thread repair in one of the spark plugs holes or thread, and yeah, it doesn't look good, so I might even redo that one too. So yeah, let's see. So let's try to show everything. Let's see. This one, I was not happy about it, but after testing, actually it's good. So, perfect. This one, it was looking not that nice, the thread, okay? But it's actually good. So it's just dirty, okay? I thought it was well done, like you can see it on the camera. But no, the thread is perfect. So that's nice too. I really torque it, you know. So I test both of them and they're still good. So voila. And right now, these are the exhaust ones on this one, okay? These were the inlet, so you can see how much modifying has been in the other cylinder head, in that one. So now I need to machine the inlet, those two, to this side, so I can build everything up again. And then I can start to grind again the settings, the valve settings and everything, so voila. Oh, I did redo this one. I fixed it already too. Voila. Okay, this one was already done, but this one, okay. And voila. Let's see. I could take everything out of the cylinder head besides one of those, but I still have a spare of those, so no problem. And then yeah, just build up again. So let's go. Let's do some machining. After trying to fit those, funny enough, they don't fit. So they are even smaller. And because I felt like the exhaust, as I said before, when I put them here, feels like it's coming in, but then it doesn't go further. So yeah, and that's why it's going in, and then it doesn't go further. So I'm gonna put them, I need to make them to 12.75. Yeah, I'm gonna start there and it should fit. I tried those are 75 and they look good. So yeah, let's modify it again and let's finish this. So let's try to show it. So voila. Okay, this is perfect. 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 Okay. And perfect. So still okay. Perfect. So that's nice. I needed to hone only this one. So this hole I needed to hone it with a tool, you know, as you saw in the time lapse. But besides that, yeah, the rest was okay. A little bit here, a little bit there, but no big thing. So voila, now it's ready. Let's start to build up everything and see if at the end of the day the bike is running again. Let's see. What just happened? So I was checking all of the guide valves and everything was fine. Now everything is recutted and regrinded, so the valves are grinded to the sitting. So that's good. Oh, that is good. But there is one thing. The inlet, one of the inlet, after doing all this, yeah, I got this one. The one actually I needed to hone it. It had too much, for my feeling, too much play. So I pull it out. Now I search for the spare ones. I have a spare one here. This from a Triumph, so I'm gonna modify it so it has the same dimensions as this one and then install it again. Because I just wanted to have it perfectly and not like, it's good, you know? It must be perfect. So let's do this. Voila, I made it. Let's see. Okay.
I still need to refine it here a little bit, and this one got a little bit of damage, you see there, and it's because of them. Sometimes they leave a mark, so I'm going to clean it up as best as I can, and that's it. Yeah, I had it really not tight because I didn't want to make any marks, but unfortunately when I had it like this and I was cutting material here, it just jumped out of the place, so you know, jump out of the place, and then deadlift this. But besides that, it's good. Yeah, so let's clean it up, make it nice. This is the other one. Okay, voila, you can see. So voila, maybe I do a little bit more chamfer like this one here, and that's all. Yeah. So there we goes. Let's try to show it. I hope it's on camera. I'm sorry that the lens is so wide, so open, so wide. Width? I don't know. Yeah, so wide. So, and the problem is that the other camera, the one that I normally is close up, it's broken on my phone. So, okay. Let's see. So right now, no plate anymore. Like, and it goes nice and down, up and down. That's what I wanted, because the other one, this one, after doing it, it had like a tiny little bit, like, I don't know, I'm gonna try to show it on camera. Just, you see, it's just a tiny little bit, but that's enough to give some problems in the long run. So that's why I decided to make it again. And voila. And now it's free. It's nice and free. No play at all. So I love it. Now I'm gonna regrind again this valve to the sitting. So yeah, almost there. So let's keep on going. Yeah. I know my workplace, it looks like a mess. Some people might not like it, but when I'm working on stuff, I just go on and on and on and on and on, and when I'm done, then I clean it up. So, voila. Yes, let's keep on going. And by the way, for the settings, I always cut them with those. Okay, I have this one, this is a 45, and then I have another one that is a 46. And yeah. If I had a mill machine, a miller? No, a miller is a person, I think so. The machine, you know, I could do it because that's what I study here in the Netherlands. But I don't have it, and my place is, yeah. But then in the future, I'm gonna do it with a machine, not by hand like this. So, yes. Voila, let's keep on going. Next problem with this one right now, I have one, but I don't have a second one, because the other head, they weren't the original thread, they were like a bigger size. So I can do two things, cut this one here, make a thread. So I'm gonna redo this one like here, like this. So voila, that would be the idea. I think that this is the best way, so I'm gonna do it like this. And if this doesn't work, then I still have the old ones from the other head, cylinder head, and then I can machine it to and redo the same process. Let's see.
So I have 1 and 2, okay, but the third, that actually was this one here, because this one, as you can see, has 1, 2, and 3. The third was original, that is this one, and the other 2, they are modified. So yeah, I'm gonna modify this one, one of those, modified it so it fits in here. So let's go. So there you go. I couldn't finish it today, Friday. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna do a few hours, yes, because I want her running this week, really. So yes, I guess then tomorrow more, yeah. Okay. Yes, so yeah, this is all done. Now I still need to do those, and on the front too, those 2 here, there. But the rest is all ready. Everything is torqued to the proper torque. So yeah, let's go home and tomorrow more. Yes. So, vamos, que nos vamos. Let's see if today I can manage to make this one run. Let's see. So, yeah. Oh, let's get at it. Let's go. Okay, there we go. Will she start? Will she run? Good. Let's see. What I found now is that actually the bike now, the compression is 7.1 kind of, but 7. So that's good, because that's the standard compression on this one, like it should be. So voila. But the spark is really weak. It's really weak. So I'm gonna clean up the contact points of the magneto and see if that makes a difference. And otherwise I will need to buy a new spark plugs again. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Maybe I'm gonna try first to go and pick up the spark plugs and try it that way, and then yeah, and then go and if it doesn't work with the new spark plugs, then I will do that. I will clean up the magnet from the inside, yeah, where the contact points goes. I think that's dirty or something, I don't know. So let's see. Let's see if it does the trick. Ugh. Whoa, okay. Dios mío. No luck. I clean up the magneto and it's sparking, but now I notice earlier it was getting gasoline, now it doesn't. Why, I don't know, because everything is open and if I pump, the carburetor is getting, yeah, it's overflowing, so should get gasoline, so I don't know. So yeah, now it's late already and it's time to go home. So next week more. Next week, this lady and the Bonneville engine. Let's see if I can finish it and I get the pump, the new pump in, and let's see. So voila, yes, next week more. So see you next week.